Alright, this is a tractor with a front end loader on it that we got for our homestead that we're going to start, or that we have started anyway. I got this for doing some work for a lady. It's a 40 horse four-wheel drive Ford. Had to redo some wiring on the starter and on the ground stuff, and I'm going to have my son crank it up for her and see how she does. It has been sitting for years before we got it, and so we're going to see what it does. Sit down. All right, go ahead. Turn the hot on. Remember.
Yes.
Turn it backwards. You always preheat. Preheat. The lights are working. Let's see. The only thing that I found was wrong was this ground neutral. She said this tractor hasn't ran. They couldn't figure out why. That ground neutral switch right there was ripped off after replacing the switch, all the connectors to the starter, through the whole thing, everywhere. It was just a... Go ahead. Alright. Warm it up again, see what it does. She's blowing some smoke, I know that. Alright, see what it does. Alright. We got it. 40 horse, had all the tires on it. All we did was clean all the fuels and the oils and put air in the tires. We got a 16 disc era, 7-tooth ripper cultivator, and hopefully next year we'll have a garden going. Thank you for watching.